Hello buddies, and in this video I want to share with you a more elaborate method of growing cabbage seedlings that I have been implementing for over a year now. The seed similarity is 100%, and it's also very easy to transplant this seedling into the beds later. First of all, we need to prepare a moist and fluffy soil mixture. To do this, I take soil from the bed, sift it to make it smooth and fluffy, and throw away all the lumps and stones. And then I add coconut substrate here and mix it with the soil. Coconut substrate holds moisture very well and also loosens the soil, preventing it from compacting. And here's how I take the proportions. I add 1 part of coconut substrate to 2 parts of fence soil. Then I'll need a regular plastic fruit crate. This box definitely needs to be covered with agro fabric, like in my case, or with regular film. Then we fill the box with the prepared soil mixture. I fill it up about 10 centimeters. Next we compact the soil, take the seeds and plant them on top. I do not pre-sow cabbage seeds because they sprout well on their own without any additional help. I place the seeds about 3 centimeters apart from each other, and I make the spacing between rows approximately 10 centimeters. And then with a thin layer of soil about 1 centimeter. We're covering the planted seeds. We compact the soil and water it. And we leave the seeds to germinate in a warm location, such as a greenhouse or a small hothouse. So the seeds will sprout very quickly. And as for the next videos where I will be working with this seedling and when to plant it, I will talk about it in my upcoming videos. Subscribe to my channel, don't miss new video releases. Wish you a successful day, see you in the videos.